Good afternoon, Bellwether, Amazon reporting earnings. I will tell you that right here, just moments ago, it was up here. We're printing, it's 282, but we were as high as 287 there. And we had a closing bell. Uh, the high was 275.80 up here, so we're slightly above where the last highs were the last quarter of 284. I don't have a release number, but we're going to be taking a look to see if we get a short on this thing and they drop it. The preliminary number is 18 cents versus 8 cents. Capital IQ consensus revs at 16.07 billion versus 16.15, so they're a little bit light there. They see Q2 of 14.5 to 16.2, that's billion versus 15.93. So once again, those earnings on it are in line as far as the headline number goes. So once again, you can see that it's selling down to 270, and we were up there at 286. We are now, it's getting torched right now at 267, and this is all live, and it's all here, and it's all right now, and how to trade these earnings on these headlines. Amazon preliminary, I just said what it was, but they were a little bit light, and we're going to have to get into the margins, and we're all over the map. It's 273 by 274. We're going to let it adjust itself, and we'll look to see where we can buy the dips on it and get a little bit more out of the report as to what these earnings and pre-tax. Now we're at 268. This has been 1.5 minutes long. We were up around 286. It's dropped like a bomb. The close yesterday was 268.78, and today's inner high 275.80, and it is getting an ass whipping right now. And what do I mean by that? It's dropped $20 off of that high, but you have to know how to do this. When it spikes on a high, you have to get an order right away. And then you have to know how, if it wants to keep going higher, then you have to come out at the right time. But this name is definitely working. We'll look on how to buy the dips. There are plenty of other earnings that are on board. Baidu. We have Bellwether Steve Wynn Resorts reporting earnings. And here we are right back here at 270 by 271.